Are you tired of cluttered countertops and struggling to keep ingredients organized while cooking? Prep bowls are the secret weapon every home chef needs. In today's video, we're reviewing the 5 best prep bowls for cooking that will save you time, keep your kitchen tidy, and make meal prep effortless. From durable glass to stainless steel and space-saving sets, let's find the perfect one for you. Number 1. Pyrex Glass Prepware 10-piece mixing bowl set. First up, we have the Pyrex Glass Prepware set. This 10-piece set is made from tempered glass that's oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. They're stain-resistant, crystal clear, and nest together for easy storage. Perfect for prepping, mixing, and even serving, these bowls are a durable kitchen essential that every cook can count on. Number 2. OXO Good Grips 3-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set. Next, the OXO Good Grips stainless steel prep bowls. This 3-piece set comes with non-slip silicone bases, so your bowls won't slide around while mixing. The brushed stainless steel design resists stains and odors, making them super durable yet lightweight. Perfect for mixing dough, batters, or tossing salads, these bowls bring professional quality into your kitchen. Number 3. Duralex Made in France Stackable Clear Prep Bowls. For a touch of elegance, the Duralex glass prep bowls are a classic. Made in France, they're thermal shock resistant, stackable, and much stronger than regular glass. Great for holding spices, chopped veggies, or even desserts, they look beautiful on the table and are tough enough for everyday cooking. Number 4. Fine Dine Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lids. If you love versatility, check out the Fine Dine Stainless Steel Prep Bowls. This set includes 6 different sizes, each with airtight lids for storing leftovers or meal-prepped ingredients. They nest together to save space, resist rust and odors, and can be used for mixing, prepping, or storing. A true all-in-one solution for busy kitchens. Number 5. Joseph Nest 9 Plus Compact Food Prep Set. Finally, for small kitchens, the Joseph Nest 9 Plus set is a space-saving dream. This colorful set includes mixing bowls, measuring cups, a colander, and a sieve, all neatly nesting together. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's the ultimate compact food prep solution for apartment living or anyone short on storage. So, which prep bowls are right for you? Whether you prefer glass, stainless steel, or a compact all-in-one set, each option we reviewed today will make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Don't forget, all the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more kitchen tips.